We are give or take 2 months away from the launch of the Galaxy S24 series, provided the rumors are legit. Accessory makers are apparently already gearing up for the release, and today, Ace Leaker Ice Universe has shared with us screen protectors meant for the three phones. The first thing that you can glean from the image is that the forthcoming Galaxy S24 phones will have the same overall design as their predecessors, as was hinted by recently leaked mock-up units. The Standard and the Plus models have rounded corners, whereas the Ultra retains the sharp corners of its predecessor. What it hasn't retained is the Galaxy S23 Ultra's curved screen, which already had flatter sides than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. When comparing the Galaxy S24 Ultra's alleged protector with the Galaxy S23 Ultra protector, you'll notice that the protector meant for the latter has a slight curvature along the side. Other than that, the protectors also seem to be in line with reports that said the phones would have symmetrical bezels, which might be a hair thinner compared to the current generation. And while not abundantly obvious in the pictures, the Galaxy S24 has a slightly bigger screen and it might be taller and slimmer. The other two models are rumored to be somewhat thicker than their predecessors. The most noticeable change is the Galaxy S24 Ultra's flat screen, though most prospective buyers will probably be happy to see it go. Though curved screens look aesthetically pleasing, they are a little annoying in usage as they are prone to accidental touches. It's also tricky to apply screen protectors on curved screens, and using a stylus on them is not so fun either. That said, curved screens make huge phones like the 6.8-inch Galaxy S23 Ultra more comfortable to hold, and they also do a good job of hiding the side bezels. We will see how it holds up in regular use when it comes out in January 2024. The phone is expected to have a titanium frame and offer a peak brightness of 2,500 nits. It's also rumored to replace the current periscope camera with a 48MP telephoto unit with 5x zoom. Either way, there could be few changes in design in next 23 Ultra. What are your opinion on the flat screen in S23 Ultra? Let us know your thoughts in comment section. Be sure to subscribe. Peace out.